Hey guys, Alyssa here with Diesel Power Products. Are you feeling loose steering or front end wander in your Super Duty? Your track bar ball joint could be the reason. As mileage adds up, factory components wear out, leading to sloppy handling, clunks, and poor steering response. That's where the Kryptonite track bar ball joint comes in, designed specifically for the 05 to 26 Ford Super Duty trucks. This heavy-duty replacement is built to restore stability and tighten front-end feel, especially if you tow, haul, or run oversized tires. It's designed to handle the abuse that factory components often struggle with. By eliminating unwanted movement in the track bar, you get more precise steering, improved control, and better overall driving confidence. Whether you're heavy towing, daily driving, or putting your truck to work, keeping your front end tight matters. Less wandering, tighter steering, and a more planted feel every time you hit the road. If your Super Duty isn't driving like it should, start with the components that keep it tracking straight. Get yours today at dieselpowerproducts.com.